Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I blame Donald Trump for this. He started it and everybody else are now doing it. I am talking of course about tweeting your opinions out in the public space. So everybody that is a public figure everywhere in the world are now doing this off the back of the successes that Donald Trump got from it. So with that guys, I bring you this. Fani Kayode agrees with Ango Abdullahi on North producing Buhari's successor in 2023 makes demands. So that's the headline. Fani Kayode agrees with Ango Abdullahi on the North producing Buhari's successor in 2023, and then he goes on to make demands, and this is a comment attributed to Fani Kayode. So let's see what Femi has to say. Femi Fani-Kayode, a former Minister of Aviation, has reacted to a statement by the leader of the Northern Elders Forum (NEF), Professor Ango Abdullahi, on the North ruling Nigeria beyond 2023. It was reported that Abdullahi declared that there is nothing wrong with the presidency remaining in the North beyond 2023. Abdullahi, a former vice-chancellor of the Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, added that much noise on lopsidedness that favored the North was not true. But reacting, Fani Kayode on his Twitter page blasted Abdullahi. According to him, the North can keep the presidency but let other regions go. Fani Kayode wrote, "There is nothing wrong if the presidency remains in the North in 2023. Ango Abdullahi, you can keep your accursed and damned presidency. Just let us go. We want rid of you. We want to be free of you. We want to leave you. We want to cut off from you. Just let us go." So this is now Femi Fani-Kayode taking to Twitter, as he now seems to be doing almost on a daily basis, having his 2 pennies worth on anything that is current in the news. And this particular instance is going after Ango Abdullahi to say, you keep your presidency, but let us go. Because really, you have to consider that the southern parts of the country are being held against their will. Because the Igbos, of course, have already declared that they are fed up with the Nigerian structure and they would rather go by themselves and govern their own region in their own way. And the Yorubas are of a similar mind. So if this is now not happening and discussions are not taking place, then effectively these people are being held against their will. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Donald Trump started this and got the American presidency at the back end of it. So everybody else have now latched on to the potency of Twitter, and they're using it to leverage their political views. So come discuss all this with me in the comment section once you've clicked on subscribe and the bell button as well. Then we can have a more detailed conversation around this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Come join you in the comment section where this conversation carries on. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.